That's fierce. Why you think you're fierce?
Welcome back, babes. Thank you so much for being here. You guys are really tuning in with me today to create this look. It's gonna be literally silent, you guys. I'm gonna put like words because I am not talking in this video today. I just didn't feel like talking. I'm really sorry. I just haven't been feeling like really communicating. I don't know, I just want to like sit down, do my makeup, and like that's literally it. And also I really hope you guys like my intro. I really worked hard this morning to get an intro for you guys because I really wanted an intro for my channel. Super excited, and I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys like it anyways. But if you're new here, welcome. I'm Sassy. Please subscribe, become part of the family. Why not? And if you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here and for clicking on this video. Anyways, let's get right into this, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with a friend if you enjoyed it, if you like my looks. This was 100% inspired by P. Louise. I love her work. She's fucking amazing. I'll link her down below if you guys want to check her out. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget, you have another video to watch.